I'm just gonna walk you through today's trades, help you understand market structure a little bit better. Um, as we know, I like trading the morning because of the new 4 hour candle. So this morning left us off here. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you got the 2 a.m. So it's gonna go from 2 to 6 a.m. Right? So you can already suspect we'll follow momentum. Probably would be going down, but because of the positioning, it's been pushing down so hard. And it's NFP week. Price just does whatever it wants. Now it looks like price actually kind of left off possible a kangaroo tail to launch up, but um, you know, just by looking at the 4 hour, I'm already a sell bias early in the morning. So right in time for the 6 a.m. And as you can see, we did go down, right? So I actually was not awake. I was awake, but I missed an even better, more prime entry. I wasn't looking at EU at the time, but as we can see, just following market structure, we have higher high. This is the highest high so far. I know I'm on the 5 minute. I usually don't like doing this on the 5 minute to show you guys to learn, but I just want to show you what my eyes were seeing. Lower low. Now we got a lower high. Right? So 2-1 confirmed down. As soon as price pushed down so far, you know, here was the recent pretty much support, right? Well, price already broke the support strong. So the momentum's already there. There's no reason why it's going up at that point. There's no reason why. And if you were to bring a like pip count, you can see like how far it ended up going, like 24 pips, see? Um However, if we look on the 15 minute, it's a better chart to look at, right? You could see right here for that 530 price did pull up. Price pulled up for liquidity wick, closed off bearish. So where's it going? It's not going up, right? Obviously, it's not going up. I wasn't really paying attention too much at that time. I'll show you where I got in, and I got in off the 5 minute. I got in right here, right at the 6 a.m. because now we have a new price broke structure, rejection, lower high, follow momentum, and then of course it just pulls down and I closed. Um, but then this becomes, I guess, right here lower low. Whoa, what's going on? I was hitting enter. I'm typing with one hand. Here's lower lows and then lower highs, lower lows, blah blah blah, right? Price is already, it's NFP, and price already has pushed down for a whole day, so you can expect a retracement now, at least after the right after the 6 a.m. right after the 6 a.m. right, as you can see for the past few hours, price was just kind of stalling out. Plenty of opportunity to make money still, especially here like 7:15 here, right? Look, that looks like a nice wick to be filled, and look what it did. It came down just to reject, closed off bullish, right? Here's low liquidity, closed off bullish, and then you can just follow momentum. Now you've got a whole hour set on a resistance. Goes back down. As you can see, we've got, I'm just going to write this as higher high. We have a higher high, lower low. New lower high right here. So if you were scalping at this time, I mean, what was this right for the 10, not even 10 o'clock. So it's low volume time. But as you can see, when you want to identify market structure, thinking sells out that lower high, it still goes down nearly 10 pips. Huge scalp. Mine I think was 8. It was like 8 to 10. Let me see where mine was. Mine was, I think it was 8 to 10. Looking at the wrong side. Here's my scalps here. This was as soon as it got to the 10 pip mark, I closed out. Actually, I didn't. I forgot I went down that far. I just got done trading UJ. Maybe I was getting a little confused. But as you can see, when price is in momentum, you just follow. You're just gonna follow market structure. Lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high goes down. Even another lower high goes down. Then it just consolidates. Rejection, rejection, rejection. What does it do? Goes down probably another 10 pips. Another 12 pips, right? Then if you're trading at this time by 7:30, you can identify more market structure. We've got the lower low. I'm going to call this a higher high for identifying 2-1. Higher low. Confirm going up. Buys anywhere here. As you can see, there's just too many times throughout the morning, throughout any time of the day really, that you can be trading. But when you trade just around when price is actually in confluence, then this is how you're going to be the most successful and consistent in your trading. So of course, right in time for my 6 a.m., boom, here's my little push. Um, took my profits and ran, but it's NFP. What does it do? It sits here for a couple hours, launches up, hits another resistance, comes back down. So it's just doing its bobbing and weaving, just low volume, right? The euro is not in effect anymore. Um, the euro is not moving as much. It's closed down for the day. Open back up at midnight. If we look at USD Jappy, I just got done trading UJ. As we can see for UJ, what do we leave off with? The 6 a.m. candle left us with a rejection off of the resistance, right? And then now a wick to be filled. Well, what do you think price did? It filled the wick. There's my profit target. And as soon as I looked at price, right for the 10 a.m., it was just right here. I was actually looking a little before. It was still bullish here, and it was a little green here. Then I just stacked up my sells right there. You guys can see my Instagram. Check it out if you care. I got a little late one came in for the party. It was like that. I had a few more. It was just like this. But as you can see, we had a nice little bullish push. Still downtrend. We can see the 4-hour time frame, of course, left us off of the wick to be filled. There's your potential profit target. So if we look at market structure for today, here's right by 6:45. Here's for 5:30, just in time for the 6 was bullish, as you can see. But now we got the highest high, right? By the time price cools down this bearish, you can already assume that we're going to go down now. But if you want to wait for confirm, now we got a lower low, lower high, and on the 15-minute, indefinitely it's going down. And as you can see, even from that time down, I mean, that's huge. 20 pips. That's a massive amount of pips. I didn't trade UJ just until the new 4-hour open. That's when I traded in. I got in. I got in right at 10. And you can see at the bottom of the screen, there's your 10 a.m. Here's Wickfield, just price action, just follow momentum. You just pretty much don't even need to look at any other time frame. I mean, I really didn't need to look at any other time frame at this time, but I did. I just looked to see where we were, and then I just trusted the process and just stacked my sells. So just very easily. I just wanted to walk you guys through, just so you guys can get a understanding of price action maybe a little bit better. You can get an understanding of how the mornings work, New York session. Um, get a little better understanding on how price moves when it's in confluence. When it's making lower lows and lower highs, it's going down, right? And my favorites are like the 2-1s. So like if we've been in a bullish uptrend, just for like example, I'm gonna be looking for those 2-1s, or to be like a higher high, lower low, lower high, 2-1 for trend change. Those are my favorite entries. So the 5 minute will have them probably a little bit nicer and a little bit faster, as we can see. Right? Higher high, lower low. Price closes below the highest high, and it's right at 10 a.m. So you know price has volume. So 2-1, boom, knocks it down. But without even looking just for re-entry, or how to enter, excuse me, the 4 hours what already had confirmed that, okay, well, we're going down for now. So just getting in and out, quick and easy. You can run your stop loss and profits, see where it goes. But it is NFP, so price will be bobbing and weaving, doing its own thing, and then, just having like big old drops like this, right for pre-London. London was bullish. Pre-London last night was bearish. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys why I took my trades this morning. Not done for the day. If you have any questions, just send me a message. I help you guys out. My Instagram is and my Facebook. Oops, Facebook. Just my name. So wherever you guys are coming from, thanks for stopping by. Um, it is NFP week, so price does do irregular things, but I just wanted to show you guys based off of price action and just how to trade with momentum, just how to enter easily, so you guys can stop second guessing yourself, stop paying for a freaking $75 a month signals that's not going to help you learn how to trade. Um, so I'm just really glad that you guys stuck with me today and you guys came and visited my page. If you guys have any other questions, just send me a message. Reach out. Talk to you guys soon.